Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add song in Instagram story more than 30 seconds. Right, so let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, if you want to add a story, you can just add from here the plus icon, which is here. And you can also add a story from here, right? So just click on this, and after that, click on add to your story. And basically you can select any of the videos. So I will select this 36 seconds. So this video is longer than 30 seconds, right? So here, if I select this video which is longer than 30 seconds, here in the bottom right side, here you can see that basically it divides the video in the three parts, right? So here, if you want to add a music, just select any of the clip here. So I will start with the first clip, and here if you want to add a music, just click on the smiley icon. Then here, just click on the music. Right, so just click on the music, and after that here you will get all the music, right? So basically this music comes from the Instagram library, not your phone, and you cannot add the music from your phone, right? So basically if you're not able to find any music, just go to the search option, which is here. So I will select a normal music, which is this one. And here you can see that we can add the music only for 15 seconds. You cannot go longer than 15 seconds. So how we will add the music for the longer videos, which is more than 30 seconds, right? So here you have to select the part of audio, which is the 15 second, and after that you have to just click done. Then you have to move to the second clip here from the bottom, and after that you have to do the same steps, right? Again, you have to go to the smiley icon, click on the music, and after that you have to select the same song. And here I have left that music from this part, and I will add the another 15-second music from the from where I left from the last video clip, right? And in this way we will follow the same step in the third clip, and after that again we have to click on the music, same music, and after that I will select audio, which is from here, right? And after that I will click on done. So this is it, guys. So if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.